Allie here, co-founder of the Coach Marketing Boutique Agency. Capitalize on the differentiator rooted in you. So let's talk about a moment every executive leadership coach faces. You're showing up, delivering, guiding others, but you're feeling misaligned inside. You're coaching breakthroughs for others while secretly needing one of your own. I felt that gap, and I know how costly it is. When your voice no longer matches your business, you feel it. You might sound clear, but you're not grounded in it. And that's why we created the Reignite Framework for coaches. It's not just about feeling better, it's about leading better. Because you can't lead boldly if you're burned out inside. So here's how it works and how each step changes everything. Step 1 is pause with purpose. This is where clarity starts. Give yourself space to feel before jumping into fixing things. That pause reveals what matters most beneath all the noise. Step 2 is reconnect to your inner compass. Find your why, not the elevator pitch, not the tagline, the real reason, the fire that made you an executive leadership coach to begin with. Step 3 is revise your leadership lens. Lead like you teach. If your actions don't reflect your message, clients will feel it. This step makes your leadership magnetic, not just methodical. And step 4, rise with reinvention. This one is bold. Let go of old goals that no longer fit your vision. Move forward in a way that reflects your now, not your past. These 4 steps aren't fluff. They're fuel for real alignment. Because when you're aligned, when you're realigned, your business starts to respond differently, especially if you're an executive leadership coach trying to grow with integrity. Drop it in the comments. Which step of the Reignite framework do you need right now? Where do you feel misaligned between who you are and how you lead? The gap between great coaching and a great coaching business is real. And if you know this, grab the Hard Truth Coaching Guide and begin to close that gap right now. Or if you want to talk about those gaps, please book a complimentary differentiator evaluation call with us. Sign up for both at the right or click on the links above or below this video, depending upon where you're watching it. Looking forward to speaking to you soon. Take good care.